Welcome, this is Denome. I haven't made an update video for many months already, but there's a lot of things happening in the crypto space and the Bitcoin space that I thought this is a perfect time to actually make an update video as well. So in this video, I will show you an opportunity, in my opinion, that is very, very hard to pass, as well as I will give you my ideas for the crypto markets going forward as well. So just if we analyze where we are at the moment, you can see that we had this channel forming in Bitcoin price, and then we actually broke through the channel where price is now about $42,000. And that's very nice because this is basically the bull zone, kind of like a confirmation that we are kind of in a bull market area at this moment, which usually means that the excitement from Bitcoin starts moving over to altcoins. So there's a huge potential in altcoins right now as I'm making this video. And just as an update also on my channel, if we take a look at this basically my second last video that I made, chance to get in early, only 1,700 people actually saw this video. So if you were one of them and you actually took action, you can see the Doji price was $0.15. And if we go to the live website now, the price is $0.77. So that's a 5x on the money here if you were holding these dojis from where I showed the opportunity. So that's basically what happened here. I've been taking profits into Doge, not into USD yet. I took profits out from index to USD, as well as I've been accumulating CRO with my card and so on, or crypto.com, whatever token they have, and I've been converting that into USDC as well. So a little bit taking profits, a little bit moving money from Bitcoin to other things right now. And the reason why I'm doing that, again, as you can see, I think Bitcoin is a little bit overextended, so we may have a pullback to this area here, or like this is basically my lowest area. If Bitcoin goes here, I'll be deploying a lot of capital. So $31,500 is the lowest I think Bitcoin could go. But the big opportunity, in my opinion, is ETH compared to Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoin lying around and you want to increase the stash you have for Bitcoin, I think Ethereum is in a very decent spot. So if we take a look at the price of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, we take a look at the logarithmic view and you draw this trend line, you can see that we are at just touching the base of this trend line, which could signal a reversal. We take a look at the RSI. RSI has been trending down, and we made a lower low on the RSI while we actually made a higher high on the price. So there's a divergence, and whenever there's a divergence, it means there could be a reversal. So that again kind of signals upside move. We are at the support of this line here as well. So there's that. So all in all, Ethereum, in my opinion, looks very, very good. So the opportunity here is potential 50% increase over your Bitcoin stash. But again, this is not guaranteed, so this could go lower, and some people we could lose money on this move as well. So there's that potential. But there's another one, which is Doge BTC, and this is one of the reasons why I've been happy to take profits out of Doji and put them into Doge, because as you can see, Doge hasn't made a move yet. And if we take a look at these lines here, you can see the momentum of this downward move has changed. So we have two kinds of trend lines. We had this aggressive trend line, and then we had this, like a not as aggressive trend line. And we are just touching the upper limit of this trend line. So if this breaks, could signal a massive move to the upside. We have a divergence on the RSI compared to the price again. And if we just take a look at what happened before, we had this aggressive trend line on the downside, and then you can chart a less aggressive trend line here. So once this trend line got actually broken, you can see a massive move on Doge. So just in a week, we had 100% gain on Doge compared to Bitcoin. So if the same thing would happen, you can basically double your Bitcoin stash within a few weeks if this will happen. So for these reasons, I'm quite happy to actually talk about Doge again. It hasn't made a move yet, so if you have Bitcoin lying around, this could be a great move. It doesn't mean it is a great move, but there's a potential for a great move. And otherwise, we can take a look at total 3. Well, let's take a look at total 2. So this is total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and stable coins. So if we take a look at this, the altcoin market is basically just at a crossroad. So if this rips higher, it could signal a nice move. Of course, this could have a move to the downside as well, but it doesn't look like it will. It could happen. Yeah, of course, anything is possible. And total 3, I saw someone show this as well. It's basically the same. We are kind of at a crossroad here. So if we break this trend line here or this high, then yeah, sky is the limit. And total 3 is basically total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum and stable coins. So altcoins could have a great opportunity here, but again, could have a lot of downside as well, or like a 30% downside. So it's, yeah, looks nice in my opinion, may not be nice, but that's basically my ideas for the coming weeks and months. So there's basically my crypto update for December 2023. I hope you liked it. Consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.